Long time no video, y'all, but I'm glad to be back. Today I'm doing my unrealistic Washday routine, and I call it that because, well, that's just what it is. It's super unrealistic because I can't even stick with it. But I know every time I do this routine, I know that it's really helping my overall health of my hair. Now, before I lose you, I just want to give a disclaimer. This is not going to take a lot of time to make this onion juice. I did write a blog about how you just make the onion juice and all of the great benefits of it. So if you are interested, it will be linked below. So don't worry. The reason why I decided to do an onion juice treatment this wash day is because currently I feel as though I am losing a lot of hair on wash days, as well as the perimeter of my hairline. It's basically fading away. It's thinning out. So every time that I've used onion juice, or when I've used onion juice in the past, it's honestly like a boost and a shock to my follicles, and my scalp loves it. I pray that I don't have to do this for the rest of my life, but at least I know of a treatment that will work and it will help thicken and regrow my hair. So I leave the onion juice on my hair for about 2 hours every time I apply it, and then let's actually get into the wash day routine. And today I am using some new products that I have never used before, but I am very familiar with the brand. I absolutely love Cantu Beauty. Cantu is my staple back in the day, back in the day. When I first started my natural hair journey over 10 years ago, that was the first products that I used on my journey. So it always has this tender spot in my heart, what is your go-to natural hair products that you no matter what, you can always think back, those were the OG products. So yes, but also I decided to kind of show you guys how I kill two birds with one stone. So I actually was filming my wash day routine for Instagram while I also was filming for YouTube. So as you guys will see, you'll see a little snippet. I absolutely love, when I say love, I love my phone case. So what you guys are watching right now is just basically me filming both. And I'm filming one on my phone and filming also on my camera. But the phone case actually sticks to metal and glass. I don't think it sticks to every surface, but for sure it sticks to glass. And just look at it, it's perfect. So you don't need a tripod. So if anybody is interested in this case, let me know in the comments and I will try to figure out where I got it from. But for real, game changer if you create content, it's perfect. But yeah, I'm just having fun with this wash day, guys. I am learning to just, in a way, accept my hair for what it is and understand that there are certain things that I can do to assist with strengthening and just regrowing my hair. But at the end of the day, sometimes your hair is going to do what it wants to do, and you may have not done anything to cause your hair to fall out, to cause your hair to thin. So you just kind of have to just, give yourself grace. That's what I'm give yourself grace, okay? So it's deep conditioner time, and again, I'm kind of going back and forth showing you guys I really, really, really love this deep conditioner. This was my first time using it, and as you guys can see, I got a trial size container because I wasn't sure if the deep conditioner was going to be deep conditioning, but oh, it was. I love thick deep conditioners, and if it's not thick, baby, I don't want it. And then as you can see, I'm mouthing it smells so good because it really does. One thing about me, I love good smelling products, right? Help me with detangling. It did that. It smells good. I love the consistency of it. It's really a 10 out of 10. Now, if y'all haven't noticed, your girl's hair has grown. I'm just saying, if y'all didn't notice, but I might be thinning around the perimeter, but I have inches, okay? We're going into the styling And this wash day is pretty similar to any other wash day, but I am doing a wash and go. Now I'm using a combination of Alpha G's Curlific Curl Definer and Cantu Beauty's Wave Whip Curling Mousse. Again, never used this Cantu before, but I have used the Curlific and I absolutely love it. Wash and goes are my thing. Like, I don't think I'm perfect at them. And also, this was my first time with this combination. So just always keep in mind that when you're using new products that you've never used before, the results can vary. But so far, I was liking that combination. Like, I can actually tell how the curls were clumping together. Y'all see that I'm making a mess? That's what I do. That's my specialty. If I'm not making a mess, then I'm not doing it right. But anyways, so now I'm going in. You guys will see the curl mousse, the Cantu curling mousse. And again, I'm just not really applying that all over my head, but I did apply it like at the front of my head and then at the top, just because I wasn't sure if it would give like a crunch, but it actually did. And I really did like this combination. Like, overall, 10 out of 10 on the combo that I really wasn't sure about. That's pretty much it. Like, I'm gonna let my hair air dry and then I will show you guys my final results. Let me know what you think about this routine that I say is so unrealistic, which maybe it isn't. It's just the beginning that's unrealistic, because at the end of the day, I'm gonna always do a wash and go, and that's like my go-to. But y'all see I'm fluffing out the hair, trying to get my part right, but the curls are curling. It's the definition is definitioning. Okay, I gotta stop, y'all. I am going to go ahead and try to stretch my hair out right now because my hair shrinks up a lot, which is not a bad thing because shrinkage means your hair is healthy. But I just gonna go in now with a little bit of, I know I'm using a lot of products, but I'm going in with a little bit of gel from the Dew just to slick down my edges, the little bit of edges that I have left. And that is it. We call that a wash day success. And that's all I got. So as always, I'm a little different and different is love. See y'all in the next video. And I'm out. Bye.